Welcome to 1960 North 100 West here in Greenfield. This is a 7-acre horse farm right off I-70 East. First, I'm going to show you the best part of this house. Come on in. Welcome to the entertainer's paradise. Here you can have your whole family while actually looking at this wonderful granite counter grill island while looking at your wonderful horses on this side. If it's too cold outside, you can come into this warm, cozy living room space. Another great room is this rec room. You know, you're coming from work, you get a drink at the bar, and then you want to just get loose playing some pool. Welcome to the formal living room space. You got to see this room because we got a lot of detail. Here we got some crown molding up there with custom made arches, Spanish inspired, and it's connected to the dining room, which we have copper ceilings and a swell bamboo flooring. And the best part is, we got natural light from outside. If it looks like the heaven is falling on me, don't worry about this, because this is actually a custom skylight. Let's go see them horses. Let's go see them horses. This is a total of about 7 acres, and 3 acres are fenced in for the horses. Some people call me a $1 million agent, other people call me a horse whisperer. The 7-acre horse farm, Entertainer's Paradise, is only listed for $379.9. Schedule your showing today.